Be ready. Start. It was for one or other reason that formal order was not passed in favor of the petitioner. Thus, without waiting, further writ petition was preferred. Stop. In pursuance to the interim order passed by this court, the petitioner is continuing with UIT Alwar. Stop. Learned Counsel for petitioner submits that absorption in the services of autonomous body is permissible under Rule 158 of the rules. Stop. In fact, by invoking the said provision, many employees have been absorbed. Stop. The list of those employees has been filed along with additional affidavit. Stop. A case of discrimination is accordingly made out. Stop. To support the argument, reference of judgment of Apex Court in the case of Ashok Patel versus Union of India and another reported in within bracket 2012 7 SCC 757 has been given. Stop. Similarly, a reference of judgment of Apex Court in the case of Ramesh Prasad versus Managing Director UP Rajkiya Nirman Nigam Limited and others reported in within bracket 1999 8 SCC 381 has also been given. Stop. Therein, similar issue came up for consideration before the Apex Court and decided favorable to the employee. Stop. The discrimination in exercise of powers was held to be illegal. Stop. A prayer is made to direct the respondents to absorb the petitioner in the service of UIT Alwar and accordingly the impugned order dated 10th February 2015 be quest. Stop. Para. A further challenge has been made to the order of suspension dated 22nd April 2015. Stop. It was by making amendment in the writ petition as the order of suspension was subsequent to the filing of the writ. Stop. The order of suspension was passed mainly due to non-compliance of the order dated 10th February 2015 without realizing that petitioner was not relied by the UIT Alwar by the aforesaid date so as to join the service with the Water Resources Department. Stop. The order of suspension is thus liable to be set aside. Stop. It is otherwise not on any of the grounds given under Rule 13 of CCA rules. Stop. No inquiry is contemplated against the petitioner. Stop. Para. The petition has been opposed by Learned Additional Advocate General Shri Rajendra Prasad. Stop. He submits that any employee sent on deputation has no right to seek absorption. Stop. It is more so when it is not provided under the rules. Stop. The petitioner was selected and appointed by Water Resources Department. Stop. He was sent on deputation to UIT Alwar in the year 2006 and in fact should have been withdrawn after expiry of reasonable period. Stop. Over.